Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 24th of April 2014. You're watching Bitcoin Wisdom and the data from Bitstamp. This is the daily chart. We're still seeing the small correction with lower volume. This is very important situation right now because, as you can see, so far sellers is still trying to penetrate this particular pivot. 470, it's the main target for the sellers at this point. If they manage to penetrate this particular pivot or this particular major support, we might experience sufficient space on the left hand side for the sellers and the price itself to push once again back down. And why no, potentially 397 with 16 could be the next target. Too soon to tell, but obviously it's something that we have to take into consideration. However, the situation right now doesn't seem pretty much different than the previous days, apart from the fact that we have new lower prices which are located at 480 compared to the previous day where the prices were located at 484. That's the lower price. So far, situations are basically based on the lower volume that the market right now is having. Could be for whatever reason, but at this point only our technical analysis is telling us that we still have to wait. The main hypothesis, which is a bullish one, is still intact. The price hasn't denied anything yet, and it's just still showing us a consolidation. Very unusual one is basically a diagonal consolidation. It happens once in a while, but this is so far what we can see. This is the 12-hour chart. Price is still going down in some way after this particular overextended retracement. It was not overextended per movement, but yes, per candles. So right now it's trying to reach 470. We might see several orders or maybe tons of orders right now, buying orders and between 470 and 472.81. That could be buying orders right now, waiting for the price to reach those areas to generate reactions, and those levels of reactions might bring high volatility and bring new volume to the market. So we can definitely experience some kind of new uptrends trying to build new lower highs, but those lower highs might fail and the price once again push himself back up and they try to reach 515. We don't know yet, but it's a slightly possibility that right now we have several big orders between 470 and 472. Those buying orders might trigger the price once again and push himself back up one more time. We don't know, but if the sellers keep the momentum with the higher volume coming in, we might experience again a new retracement trying to reach this particular area, which is right now 397 with 16. And this is the 240-minute chart. This is the 4-hour chart. New lower high. We already have we have 3 higher lower highs, 4 actually higher lower highs, and so far this condition might have to change. The behavior might have to change at any time because we basically are a little bit overextended on lower highs right now, and we might experience a new momentum with the price trying to deny this particular lower high. We have to wait for this candlestick to finish. This one is the 240-minute chart, and see what happens also with the 60-minute chart. Right now we managed to reach 480. Price is still trying to penetrate below this area. We'll see what happens after this overextended trend. We already have a potential situation where the price will try to reach 480. Buyers don't allow that to happen, and the next candle might erase all this particular situation. It will deny this pattern, and why not, it will push the price back up one more time. So far conditions are a little bit in both ways. Sellers actually have a little bit of more advantage so far, but we have to wait for the buyers volume to arrive one more time. We might see a deny uptrend in this particular area. Keep an eye on it. Good opportunities will come along. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.